Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a Dollarzone haul. That's right, Dollarzone. Dollarzone is better than Dollar Tree. And I bought a whole bunch of goodies. Alright, and I went to the flea market. So first, let's get started with Dollarzone because I have more items. So right now for Dollarzone, I picked up this big 2-liter of the Days orange soda. I don't drink the sodas. I got this for my son. So I got that. And then I picked up a really big 2-liter of ginger ale. I picked up this big 2-liter of Coca-Cola. And everything was $1. Then I picked up this big 2-liter of the Pineapple Days soda. So I got the 4 2-liters right there. Then I picked up 2 more of these. I tried them in the past. They're really good. These were $1.50 though, just these, $1.50. But this is the Old El Paso World Taco Kit, and this is the Japanese inspired teriyaki taco mix. And I did make this one time. It was really good and it had like a delicious flavor to it. So, and I do have a Korean one in my cabinet that I bought previously from Dollarzone, and they do have them there. But I decided to pick up the Japanese. So I got 2 of the World Taco Kits. Japanese style. Then I picked up the purple Brillo dish soap. Again, I love these dish soaps. So I got one of those. Then I picked up one of these at Dollarzone. This is the Silk hand soap. It's very thick and creamy and it does work. This is peach. So I picked up the peach hand soap. And then also at Dollarzone, I picked up the white hand soap. I already have this in my bathroom. And this is the pearl one. I also have the bar soap like this. It has a really clean, nice smell. And then also at Dollarzone, I picked up the purple silk hand soap. So this is the purple one. I think this one is, okay, it's Midnight Orchid. So I got Midnight Orchid. And then also at Dollarzone, this was $2. But this is the big bag of the Kit Kats. You get the normal chocolate and you get the mint. So they're like the small, it's like a variety pack. So I got that. I picked up one of these turkey basters. This is not just for turkey. You can use this for your pork and all different types of stuff. So you got the baster and then you got like the, you know, the thing itself, so I could squeeze juice and liquids and different things I'm going to do with cooking. I got that. I picked up 2 boxes at Dollarzone. This is the Crest 3D white. This is the Arctic Fresh toothpaste. This is like a big medium size. Compared to the Dollar Tree, this is like bigger. So I got 2 of those. And then also at Dollarzone, I picked up 2 bars of these Zote laundry soaps, but these are the very thick, big, wide ones. These are the big, heavy, big, wide ones. So this is a laundry soap, and they have these in Mexico, and they use them in the laundry. So I like to use these for hand washables or scrubbing out stains before I actually throw it in the washing machine. So I got the pink and the white, and like I said, that's laundry soap from Mexico. Got those. Then I got this hook and eye. And you get 2 in there with the screws and everything in it. Not bad for $1. So I got a hook and eye. So I'm going to pack this and take this to my other property. I got that. Then also at Dollarzone, I picked up these tea spoons. You get 4 in a pack. They're very small, but they're real silver. And they're heavy. And, yeah, they work pretty good. This is for tea. They're like a little bit smaller. So these are teaspoons. Not like a teaspoon. It says for tea. So I got, you know, the spoons for tea. It don't matter. It's just like a small little spoon. You could basically use it for anything. So I got that. And then also at Dollarzone, I just picked up one of these little traps for just catching ants and spiders or whatever. Anything, actually. So I like to put these in my pantry and different parts of the house just in case, you know. I was getting ants for a while and I got rid of them, so I got those. And then I picked up another Brillo dish soap. This is the green one. This works really, 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 really good. I love the Brillo ones. And then I picked up the yellow Brillo, which is the lemon, the fresh lemon. And then I picked up this really nice sign. It's got like the string right here. And it's just a, you know, cheap little cardboard. And it's got these really cute flamingos that is outlined in gold. And I just thought it was really nice. Well, it looked at gold to me, but it's really cute. Nice. Yeah, the leaves here are trimmed in gold. But I just like the pattern of it. They have a whole bunch of like Hawaiian theme type of decorations. I just picked up that one. And then I picked up this nice, really thick container. It's real strong. It's got the flexible, really good lid, and then it snaps shut. So I just buy like a lot of Tupperwares and different things, you know, to eat and store food and stuff like that. And then I picked up one of these with the pumps on. I never tried this one before. This is fresh aloe lotion. So I got an aloe vera lotion. And then I got another hand soap from Silk. This one here is Cherry Blossom, I believe. Cherry Blossom. And then I picked up another one of Silk. This is the blue one. This is Sea Minerals. And I used all of them in the past. They're good. They're just really thick, normal soaps. And then here's a nice thick green one. This one here is natural olive. So this has olive oil in it. Good for moisturizing your hands. And then I picked up another one of these dish soaps. This is from Velour. I believe this one's from Mexico. It's a blue one. And this is the Oxy one. I tried them before, and this is pretty good too. It does soap up, and it does do the job. And then, let me see. And then I got another Brillo. This is the orange one. So I have another orange Brillo dish soap. And then I picked up this big, huge Japanese cherry blossom. It's real heavy. They used to have a blue one. I was looking for it, but they sold out. This was the one I seen. It's pink. And it's a fabric refresher. It's a Japanese cherry blossom. So it's a really big, heavy bottle. I never tried this one before. So I got that. And then I got a whole bunch of shampoos and conditioners. And these are all VO5s. Oh, yeah. And then I do got another lotion. Here's another big fresh cucumber body lotion. I got that. And then I got a whole bunch of, like I said, VO5 shampoos and conditioners. So right here, I got the Ocean Refresh Conditioner. Ocean Refresh Conditioner. And then I got this one. This one is the Detox Weightless Conditioner. Detox as a white one. And then I picked up this one here. This is the Ocean Refresh Shampoo, VO5. Then I picked up this VO5. This is the Midnight Freesa, which is the purple flower. Then I picked up the Blooming Freesa Conditioner. I also got the Blackberry Sage Tea Conditioner. Blackberry Sage Tea Conditioner. Then I picked up this one. This one is Kiwi Lime Squeeze Shampoo. Because I didn't find the avocado shampoo. They didn't have it. Here's the avocado cream with Moroccan argan oil moisturizing conditioner. I did not see the shampoo of this one, so I can only get one of those. And then I picked up this one is a detox shampoo. Then I got this Blackberry Sage Tea Shampoo. And then I picked up this one. This one is the Kiwi Lime Squeeze Conditioner. And then at the flea market afterwards, after I left the Dollarzone, I picked up this DVD. Music has music videos on here as reggaeton. You got like Don Omar, Daddy Yankee, you know, different people. So I got that at the flea market. Then I picked up this big, beautiful necklace. It's all, you can't really see it offhand. It's got like the earring set. And it's like big, huge rhinestones. It's brand new in the pack. And this is from Paparazzi. They had them at the flea market for Paparazzi. And then I got this big, another big, beautiful necklace. It's all blinged out, all stones. Super gorgeous. I got this from Paparazzi for $5. So let me lay that down here. I don't want it broken. And then I just picked up this nice hat from my son. And then the last thing is my husband. My husband bought me this Jordan. Nice Jordan shirt. And my husband has the same one so we can match. And then he bought the pajama pants. It's a different one with Mickey Mouse on it. It's gray, black, and white. And he also has the same pajama pants so me and him can match. So anyway, let me see if I left out anything else. Oh yeah. I also picked up this at Dollarzone. This is a keychain. It's a real cute. It's real. It's silver. You open it up. Beautiful. It's a real little Bible. Isn't that beautiful? It's a real Bible. I got that at the Dollarzone. And then the last thing at the Dollarzone, I picked up these beautiful gold blinged out glasses. I have to clean them. They're like cop glasses. I love these. I just got to clean off the lens. But you can see like they're rainbow holographic. They're beautiful. So I just picked them up at Dollarzone. And let me see. Did I leave anything else behind? Nope. So I think that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Dollarzone and at the flea market. And yeah, and my husband bought me the outfit. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this haul from Dollar Tree and the flea market. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.